y'all. Good morning. I'm up early. I just finished fixing Babe his breakfast. He's getting ready to head to work. Got some errands I need to run with the kids, so I'm getting ready to wake them up. It is 7:33 in the morning, but I need to get in and get out because I need to start work by noon. Get in, get out, get my little meetings done, do what I need to do, and then I have a busy day Friday. I have a nail appointment, a hair appointment, a little shopping that I need to get done. Y'all, I'm tired. I need to get my coffee out of the microwave because I just heated that up again. Yeah, but I just wanted to kind of like start the vlog. Welcome or welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Okay. Yeah. So let's kind of get our day started, y'all. I wanna try to run to all three stores. I need to go to Walmart. Kind of need to go to Target, but I feel like if I go to Walmart, there's no need to go to Target. Kroger. And I think that's it. I think everything else I need to do is online. I need to order coffee today because, girl, I got like 4 pods. It's sad. I got coffee creamer. Just stuff, girl. I just got to get all the things done, okay? So let's get up and get at 'em. What's up, you guys? So it's another Friday in these streets. I am headed to go get my nails done today. I don't know. We really don't have anything planned for this weekend, so I figured I would go ahead and like do the things that I need to do, get my nails done, get my hair done, and that's it. And I've got a little shopping that I need to get done, but I may end up just doing it online. I'm literally not in the mood to be like in stores or really doing too much of anything. So it's just a chill day. Like, I don't have much planned. I'm probably going to try to run into Target. I need to get some candles for the house. Y'all, I placed my first Skims order this morning. I have been trying to steer away from Skims. I really have. Like, I just feel like I didn't want to, but I did place an order this morning. They have, what was it? See, because I associate it in a certain format. Anyways, they're having a sale, like a bi-annual sale, and so I picked up a sleep dress and some undergarments just to give it a try. Like, I felt like that you can't go wrong. Like, let's see. It's something I can wear, you know, a decent amount of time to really be able to say, because I'm the type of person with like clothing, like if I wear it and I don't like it, I'm not gonna wear it again. You know what I'm saying? But like a sleep dress, like I'll keep trying it out, you know? So I don't know, I just felt like it's a sleep dress, Roya, who cares? So I tried that, and like I said, some undergarments. So we'll see if I like it. I'll invest in it. At this point, how can you go wrong? But yeah, I'm just going to get my nails done, y'all. Nothing crazy. It's a normal little weekend. The kids are at home with Clarence. That's about it. I don't really have a lot today, y'all. If I get into anything, of course, I'm going to bring y'all with me, but it's really nothing to get in, girl. Nothing that I want to be in. But let me go on in here. I'm about to turn the parking lot. And I'll hit y'all back. Alright, you guys, so I finished getting my nails done, and now I'm in this DD store. I had never heard of it before, but, well, no, I think I've been here once before, but either way, I just found a rug for our living room. Y'all, they're so cheap. They're $34 for a 5x3x7 inch rug. Or no, this one's a 5x8. I mean, you cannot beat that. These prices are crazy. What is this? Oh my goodness. This one's huge. What size is this? This is 5x7. Okay, I'm gonna look for more stuff, but I'm so excited. Alright, you guys, so we are leaving JJ's Fish and Chicken. Clarence and the kids wanted it, so when I was coming back from getting my hair done, they text me talking about get some chicken, and here's our number. So I just picked it up on my way. Ooh, got in my eye. Goodness, on my way back from getting my hair done, which was great. Hair is back thriving. Protein treatment has been done. So that's good. This little one piece is acting funny. Anyways, but yeah, I got a protein treatment and a trim. Very necessary on the trim. And I have a work meeting in about 45 minutes. So I'm gonna try to eat my lunch, late lunch, early dinner, and then get to that meeting and chill. I don't know if I shared with y'all, I vlogged it a little bit. We got a new rug for the living room, which I'm very excited about. I've been looking for one, and this one is perfect. When I tell y'all, it was so perfect. It was so perfect. So, and the price was perfect, y'all. Freaking 5x8 rug, $34.99. $34.99. So, yeah, we're gonna put it out. I mean, of course, you know, when you get something like that, it's like, oh my god, now I gotta do my whole living room. So I gotta clean the entire living room from top to bottom before I put this rug out. I don't know if y'all are like that. I mean, I don't know, I don't want to judge people, but yes, like, I'm weird like that. I'll get a new item, and if it's gonna hang up in my closet, like, I gotta straighten up my whole closet, like, because I want to see it and I want everything to look good, you know. So of course the kids were all in the living room, had their toys in there and all of that. So I'm going to go through that living room and clean it up really well and let my new rug out tonight and let it relax. And then tomorrow, Clarence and I may go out and try to find one last picture to go above the sofa, and then I'll steam those curtains that I want to hang in there. And then the only other thing that we want to change about the living room is the sofa situation. You guys know, since we moved here, we've been looking for a new sofa. We just haven't found what we like. Today we were talking, and Clarence was like, and I agree with him, he says that we should probably end up doing a sectional, and I couldn't agree more. I think it's just gonna work best for our family. So sectional it is. So we're looking for one. Our goal is by fall. We want to have gotten it. So let me get in the house. I'm about to eat, and then I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys. So this is the rug, like, laid out. I'm cleaning off my coffee table now. Kaden just brought some paper towels, but it looks really, really good, y'all. I love it. And Kaden wants to put white chairs in here now. Our other, y'all know we have some brown chairs in here, but they're actually out in the garage. Probably gonna pull them back in just to kind of tie everything together. And then eventually I'm going to change like the entryway table situation. But yes, this rug, disregard how the living room is looking right now. And the shower cap on Caden's head, he's getting his hair deep conditioned. But I feel like the rug, it tied the room in together. Eventually I'll let you guys see what everything looks like when it's like looking decent in here. But yes, the rug was a success, and as you can see, people are doing what they're doing. But yeah, the living room's almost together. I have some curtains that I want to hang on this panel, but I need to steam them, and that's the only reason they're not up as of now. But before the weekend is over, I'm hoping to get those put up, and then get the chairs back in here to kind of like tie everything in the living room and get kids' toys and stuff out of here. But yeah, new rug. I'm excited. I just love it, y'all. Like, and for the price, you just couldn't beat it. Hey, you guys. All right, so it's Saturday. We are headed to the grocery store. I needed to run to Sephora today, but I didn't have the time, so kids got their tablets, very loud. But we're headed to the grocery store. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Just wanted to check in. All right, y'all. So babe cooked dinner. Your girl steak, shrimp, asparagus, baked potatoes. The kids are upstairs. They've already eaten. I'm having some wine and enjoying dinner. Happy Sunday, y'all. We haven't done anything all day. We've just been lounging. So yeah, haven't really picked up the camera, but if anything happens outside of me eating dinner and getting ready for bed, I'll get back at y'all.